Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to combine text from two cells. So as example, I will create text in this cell. Okay, you can type example and another I will set into Mufasuket. Now if you want to combine these two cells text, I will click at this cell and you can type equal. Now you can click at this cells example plus n. The next you can click at this text, press enter again to apply. So it will be combine these two texts. If you want to set with space, you can type equal, select the first text and then n, double quote, space, okay, double quote again, n, and select another cell. Now you can press enter. Now it will be create space in the cells. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to combine text from two cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.